Don't spoil it, dude. Don't go click the video and get the answer and then spoil it.
Logician Raymond Smullyan and popularized by his colleague George Boulos, this riddle has been called the hardest logic puzzle ever. You and your team have crash landed on an ancient planet. The only way off is to appease its 3 alien overlords, T, F, and R, by giving them the correct artifacts. Unfortunately, you don't know who is who. From an inscription, you learn that you may ask 3 yes or no questions, each addressed to any one lord. T's answers are always true, F's are always false, and R's answer is random each time. But there's a problem. You've deciphered the language enough to ask any question, but you don't know which of the 2 words Ozo and Ulu mean.
Okay, chat is too much. Chat is this too much, dude. This is like a trash.
And which means no. How can you still figure out which alien is which?
Dude, look at this shit. This is impossible, dude. Are you guys seeing this? We ask 3 yes or no questions. The alien will answer Ulu or Ozo. Each question, it means yes or no. We don't know which one is which. T always tells the truth. F always lies. And R always ends them randomly. Oh, it's easy! It's easy clap. No, I don't want the answer. Chat, this is...
xQc, I'm very happy and hope you'll enjoy Austin more than Leafy Land. I'm a new fan but I'm kinda getting addicted to your streams. How much time do you think you will take off while moving?
Okay.
Thanks for all the amazing content. xQc less than 3 less than 3 less than 3 less than 3 less than...
Okay. Here we go. You ask the random guy first, right? Then you ask the lie guy second, and the true guy third. Right? The random guys are
Yellowstone is erupting monk or Yellowstone is erupting monk or Yellowstone is erupting monk or Yellowstone is erupting.
Well, you don't know. You don't know which is which.
Old xQc old in the motherfucking chat, boy.
Wait, I don't understand it. You may ask 3 yes or no questions. The aliens will always answer Ulu or Ozo. Means yes and no or no. You know which one is which. T always says the truth, F always lies, and R...
Stupid man costume donates $5, says I want you to fuck my wife.
What the fuck? Okay, yeah, so you... Okay, I understand it. So you don't know who is who, basically, right? So now you have to ask, like, trick questions with the yes or no. Like, are you F? And he's gonna... Like that, right? And then you have to, like, trick them. Pretty much, right? So then you have to ask, are you, like, who is lying? I get it, okay. Dude, this is just kind of dumb, dude. Chat, this is just dumb. Let's just watch the answer, dude. You have to ask, like, who is lying? Oh.
xQc, I
just want to watch it, fuck it. I just want to see it.
Will always be my favorite. No 7 spam yet, just want to let you know you are appreciated.
At first, this puzzle seems not just hard, but downright impossible. What good is asking a question if you can neither understand the answer nor know if it's true? But it can be done. The key is to carefully formulate our questions so that any answer yields useful information. First of all, we can get around to not knowing what Ozo and Ulu mean by including the words themselves in the questions. And secondly, if we load each question with a hypothetical condition, whether an alien is lying or not won't actually matter. To see how that could work, imagine our question is whether 2 plus 2 is 4. Instead of posing it directly, we say, if I asked you whether 2 plus 2 is 4, would you answer Ozo? If Ozo means yes and the overlord is T, it truthfully replies Ozo. But what if we ask F? Well, it would answer ulu, or no, to the embedded question. So it lies and replies ozo instead. And if ozo actually
I
means
knew it,
no,
dude.
then the answer to our embedded question is ulu.
This is retarded shit. I'm done with this, dude. Guys, it's just dumb, dude. It's just like some fucking trick gimmick fucking video, dude. These aren't fun riddles, dude. A bunch of riddles are fun. This is just not fun. It's
And both
retarded.
T and F still reply ozo, each for their own reasons. If you're confused about why this works, the reason involves logical structure. A double positive and a double negative both result in a positive. Now, we can be sure that asking either T or F a question put this way will yield ozo if the hypothetical question is
And
true.
then the other one
and
is the
ulu
random
if it's
guy,
false,
right?
regardless of what each word actually means. Unfortunately,
The alien height video, what is that? Is there anything like that? So he said react to the alien height video. I know what that is.
And showed us something. We understood nothing. No one understood.
The fuck? What's up, Emma? The key.
I miss you so much.
Goodbye, Emma. Goodbye. A puzzle, huh? That's easy. These puzzles are pretty easy, like most of the time. It's all about like swapping and shit like that. It's a swap puzzle, boys. I'm the puzzle king, so. I'll make quick work of this shit. Yeah, I'm the puzzle king, no kidding. Look at this shit, ready? Clear the bottom row. Make place at the top row. Boom. Right. Right. Switch that up until you're allowed to move the top back in. Like that. Yep, like that. Bang! Right, dude. Dude, right! Yeah! And then you just piece of shit fucking puzzle, bitch ass trash. There it is. Wait, what? Did what? This is incredibly hard. I'm almost done, but I have to move it like the piece all the way across. Right? You guys understand it? What I'm trying to do here? I'm almost done. That's the bottom piece. That's the bottom piece. Bottom piece would go. To the bottom. LOL. Oh, I need to make it slip in. There it is. Yeah, dude! My piece of shit fucking game, man. I can't handle this. Nice! Dude, I can't handle this one now. I am not in the mood for this shit. Right? I need to move this guy up over here, boys. That's it! Wait, no, I forgot about the bottom! Yeah. Right. And then... Okay, I need to make this guy go all the way to the bottom. Wait, that's my top though. Oh, dude, listen to me. Listen to me. Okay, listen. Need to preload my corner. No, 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 no. Okay, got it. It's over. Bang, 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 bang. Woo! Puzzle mastermind cipher decryptor god. That shit my face, bitch.